Well, after all of that, I just broke. I don't know. Fun. Okay. We need VirtualBox. I'm going to go through this real quick. New. We're going to call this FreePBX 2. And it's not BSD, it is Linux, and technically it is Red Hat or Fedora. Could be another one. Red Hat Gen 2. Fuck it, we'll just put it on other Linux. 512. Okay, here's how I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna open up calculator. Times 2 equals a gig of RAM. Times that by 2. Now, that's for all y'all that don't know how to math right off the bat, like me. Give it 2 gigs of RAM. Great. Next. We're gonna bump this up to 15 gigs. Settings. System. We don't need a floppy disk. Give it all the processors. Go down here to storage. Not what I meant. Okay, choose. There's FreePBX. Let's go to network. Go to bridged. Okay. FreePBX 2. We're gonna install. Boom. Graphical. Blah. So what we're doing is what we're doing here is we're going, words are difficult today. We're installing clean FreePBX. I'm going to show you guys some things. I tried doing another video and it didn't work out. So one way or another, we're getting a video done. Okay, don't worry about any of this. This will all come up in a minute. So I'm gonna next just put in the root password. Hit done. Starting package installation process. Yep, wait. I'm gonna pause the recording. Cool. It's done. Now, if you're looking at the time to see how long it took, don't, because I took a shower, so it won't tell you anything other than I got up and walked away. Ah, crap. Devices. Yeah. Then go ahead and restart. Don't capture. Okay, cool. You want to see this come up? I want to see what IP address it has. Okay. It's the username. Whatever you typed your password as. Can I spell tonight? No, we cannot. I didn't. It's part of my problem. Let's see if it'll do it anyway. Nope. we are 10.10.30. Let's go ahead and pull up a terminal. Let's go to 10.10.10.30 and I screwed up. So we need SSH root at. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and copy that. Okay. That's wrong. Okay. Want that. Okay, then I want to go over to web browser. Okay, so after you find out what the IP address is, go to it. So mine's 10.10.10.30. Username, admin, password. Email address. Create account. Okay, now log in with it. Welcome to your new PBX. Go ahead and activate it. This is important. Email address. Wait a minute, what? Skip. What did it do? Submit. Continue. Next. Yes. 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 Resend. Not now. Not now. Oops. Apply update. That's what I was trying to do. Activation. Activate. So I must have hit something or did something. Numbers no longer mine. Don't call that number. No, I don't. Continue. Okay. If you have an existing deployment that you have deactivated that deployment on that computer and want to move it over to the new computer or just reinstalling whatever, here you go. Otherwise, no activation. This is optional, obviously. Location name, we're gonna say Rax. Oh, sorry. Rax house. Screw it. Activate. Give me a deployment ID. It's now installing. This is where should be attempting to activate. Okay. Waiting for Apache to restart. Cool. Okay, now I have to go through this again. Skip. Skip. Cool. So now we've got this. Alright, now we go to terminal or PuTTY, one of the two. We say yes to this. Enter in your password. Go ahead and type in YUM update -Y. This is going to update the operating system. This shouldn't take that long, so I'm not going to cut it here. The other part, I might cut it. But this will go ahead and download, well, today 55 packages. Today being September 29th at 11:54 p.m. So as you can see, my internet's slow as hell, but cutting right through it. This is the biggest one's kernel. But this, I always recommend to run yum first. It's gonna update asterisk, it's gonna update anything else related, but asterisk in particular is important to be updated, among other things like the Linux kernel, I'm trying to think of what else. PHP, anything like that. Apache, so if there's any vulnerabilities, you get it up to date before that. Then go in and run, what is it I'm looking for? Not run. But then update the modules. Oh crap, while we're waiting on this, is this going to tell me? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So before this could even come up, it's already cleaning up. It's already fixing everything. Okay, we don't care about Sangoma buying out. This is close, but not close enough. Let's go ahead and open up Mousepad. So fconsole space MA space upgrade all. There's another really neat one. Not gonna go over it because I'm afraid people will run it when they don't need to. And basically, you can Google it, but it will go ahead and download and install all of the modules, and that's not exactly what we need. We need the modules that need to be updated, and if there's any new modules that it should be getting then go right ahead. Go right ahead and do that. This is the back end. This is doing the back end. This will get everything, like your dependencies. It'll grab all the dependencies. I have heard if you go to like module admin and do it from here, that it won't. And I prefer to be in command line anyway, so that's why I do it this way. It may run the same thing and may do the same thing, I don't know for sure. I've just heard that it doesn't, and crap has broken on people before, so I make sure that nothing's broken this way. So this is going to take a while, so I'm going to cut here. Okay, we're back. Done. Now, let's go ahead and reboot this. Just make sure we're not rebooting my system. Cool. Oracle. No, but we need that. Where'd it go? Close that. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Now we're up to the latest kernel, latest everything. We've got our deployment ID, we've got everything up to date as of the 30th of September. Well, 29th, 30th of September, 12:09 a.m. Mountain Time. Okay, root, password. Saying that there's 59 modules available. There's not. We just did that. Okay, dashboard. Since I was already logged in, it's going to keep me. And it's going to tell me it can't connect to Asterisk, which is fine. Asterisk probably hasn't even pulled up yet in the system. Like, it's still starting services and crap. Oops. Sorry, guys. Gotta love it when you hit your microphone. Okay. Apply config. Just resolve. Let's go ahead. This is a commercial module, but whatever. We'll go ahead and enable it. This will probably be like the last time. Just be like, oh yeah, everything's up to date. It's fine. Already migrated. Oh, look at that. Return. Apply config. Let's go ahead and go to advanced settings. Scroll way down here. No. Getting close though. There it is. Submit. Apply config. Settings, asterisk SIP settings. Go ahead and change this. Scroll all the way down here, change that to a 2. Hit submit. Go in here, change that to 1. Hit submit. Apply. Change this to a 0. Submit. Apply. dashboard. Oh crap, what was this? Resolve. I know how to resolve this. Interfaces, pretty much. How about yeah. I want that. Okay, then we want. Oh crap! I can't remember where it's at. Was it fire or no? It was networks. Okay. We don't need this one. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. Where's the delete button? I forgot. Oh, crap. It's been a minute since I've had to do this. I know somebody's like, it's right there, you idiot. Delete selected, right there. As long as your network, whether it be 192.168.1.0 or yeah, 1.1 or 1.0, that should be fine. Save. Okay. Now, crap. I can't remember on this one what it is, but I know how to find it. This year. Now, of course. Okay, we can see in here the firewall started, blah, 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 blah. Are we having some sort of trouble here? Yeah, we'll just leave it alone then. Alright, from here, oh, let's go back to here. Okay, there's the one. Post super -d. I'll run or remove all the mail. So you see here that there's mail that hasn't gone out, one message. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. First, we're gonna log you back into it. BS. Bye-bye. So now we come back over here to dashboard. So this is the only one. It's only Asterisk has only been running for 7 minutes. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Goodbye to my modem, goodbye to this, goodbye to that, goodbye to that. Okay, goodbye to that. We're gonna power off. Okay. Let's see here. This is going down. Okay. Come here. Nope, we're gonna come here. We're gonna go to File. We're gonna go to Export Appliance, FreePBX 2. We'll go to Rack. Desktop. Open. And then we'll call it FreePBX 2. And save. Next. Export. Now that's doing that. Over to File Manager. I rebooted my computer by accident earlier. So we'll want that right there. I'll go ahead and minimize that. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm exporting to an OVA file. So that way I can put it on an external hard drive, so that way if I screw anything up, I can come back to let's call it 12/10 on September 30th, 2018. And then all I have to do is the updates for the operating system, and I have to do the updates for the modules, and then redo my whole entire thing. This is starting it from blank. When I get everything said and done, I'm going to do this again, put it on an external hard drive. So if I need to go back to blank, I can. If I need to go back to when I had everything first set up, I can. All the files, everything's right there. This works with just about every virtual machine software, such as VirtualBox, I can't remember any of the others right now, but this works for all of them. You can export like this. This is what I do when I need something like this, because FreePBX up here is going away. We're going to start back from scratch. So this takes its sweet time. Let me go ahead and go. I should have left that open. Web browser. And I am going to go to my phone provider's website. Because next time I come back, I'm just going to show you the general of things. I'll go to Wiki. Go to configuration, PBX. FreePBX, PBX in a flash. Scroll down. I need this information. Thank you very much. Yep, that's what I wanted. And I need this information. Actually, no. Take it from here. I'll be explaining some of this later. If you want, just go to VoIP MS's website, go to PBX, then go to FreePBX. We'll show you. Every phone company is different. So let's go ahead and okay. So that's all done. Minimize. Go by calculator. So then we're gonna go to new volume over here. Right click. And we're gonna cut it. Really? Love it when I do stupid crap like that. Paste. It's only a 2.4 gig file. As you can see, I've got Debian, FreePBX, a couple of times. I think I even got Windows in here, Windows 10. That is a small virtual environment. I'm not going to do it on this video, but maybe I'll pop it up. This is my system. Moves this over. Boom, done. Boom. Okay, then I want this, and this is the end of the video. Have a good day.